Tamil Nadu Chief Minister M.K. Stalin's son Udhayanidhi Stalin made certain comments over the Sanatan Dharma, clearly comparing it with, in fact, diseases like dengue and malaria, and in fact also saying that the same should be eradicated. The voices of the same seem to echo at the Supreme Court today as well. A petition was filed by Tamil Nadu-based lawyer B. Jagannath, who basically sought an inquiry into the said event where in fact such speeches were made. The event titled to be Sanatan Dharma and its eradication. The petition also went on to seek directions from the Home Secretary and in fact the Director General of the Central Bureau of Investigation to launch a probe into the same. In fact, it also sought an injunction against Mr. Stalin and people who are making like-minded statements to refrain from making such statements. Now the matter travelled to the topmost court of the country. In the first instance, the Supreme Court was all in to send the matter, in fact, to the High Court. However, after various convincing arguments were made by, in fact, the lawyer appearing for the petitioner, it was very clear that the Supreme Court issued notice to the Tamil Nadu government and, in fact, Udhayanidhi Stalin, seeking their stand on this particular petition, which basically seeks to restrain these two, Mr. Udhayanidhi Stalin and various other people who have been making such statements from making remarks against the Sanatan Dharma. The Sanatan Dharma debate had seen a political war of words erupting not only in the state of Tamil Nadu but across the country, and now the matter is before the topmost court of the country. Whether the Supreme Court would be intervening into it, whether the Tamil Nadu government would be supporting the stand of, in fact, Mr. Udhayanidhi Stalin, or whether the Tamil Nadu government would differ in its stand is something that we'll have to wait and watch for. But at this moment of time, the matter has reached the topmost court of the country, and very clearly, what is clear at this point of time is that the Supreme Court is intervening into this matter. Stands have been sought from Tamil Nadu government and Udhayanidhi Stalin as well. Whether they would be giving out their clear stands, what would the DMK government in Tamil Nadu would be saying, what would Udhayanidhi Stalin would be saying, is something that we'll get to know when the responses come in before the topmost court of the country. Remember that various petitions have been filed before the Supreme Court seeking, in fact, to restrain these statements to be made. But what will happen is something that we'll have to wait and watch for. I am Anand Bhatnagar with video journalist Rama Shankar for CNN News 18 from the National Capital.